Hello students, I am Iswaraya, Associate Professor. This semester I am going to teach problem solving and programming. This problem solving and programming covers through three textbooks. University prescribed these three textbooks. First one is the programming in C, that is Pradeep Roy and Manas Ghosh. This first textbook covers the unit 1. It covers the unit 1. And second textbook is how to solve it by computer. It relates to the second unit. The second unit syllabus covers through the second textbook known as RG Drumi, how to solve it by computer. Third textbook is the C programming language by Dennis Rich. You can also refer the Balagul Swami, Yashwant Kanetkar. A lot of different textbooks are available in the library also and also in the market. Please go through the any C language book, C programming language book. All books are maybe same, only little bit difference. So our subject is problem solving and programming. As usual, this subject also contains 5 units. 5 units. Now I am going to teach the first unit. The first unit relates to the computer fundamentals. Here we are going to learn about what is computer, what is the history of computers, generations of computers, what are the different classifications of computer, and the anatomy, that is block diagram of a computer, what are the different hardware components, what are the different softwares we are going to use, what is the main uses of this computer system we are going to learn in first part. In second part, you are going to learn about algorithms as well as the flowchart. Now, first we go to the first topic in the first unit, that is what is computer. So, computer is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic device. I hope all you know computer system. Nowadays, everywhere computer is there. Wherever you go, their computer is there. Majority of the works are doing through the computer system. So computer is an electronic device that takes data as input, from the different devices called as input devices and process the instructions and produces the information as output on output devices. So here computer is an electronic device that takes the data as input. Data is nothing but the raw fact. Anything can be data. It does not have any context. It does not have any meaning. Any 2 may be the data, 5 may be the data. Anything can be data. Whenever the data is processed, then that is called information. That is called the information. The information is nothing but the meaningful data. Information is nothing but meaningful data. Whenever the data is processed, then it can be treated as a information. In computer system, we are going to give the data through the input devices. So here the computer system is going to process the data and producing the information to the output devices. So user is putting or maybe giving the data through the input devices and computer system accepts the data from the input device and producing the information to the output devices. So here the raw content used for processing the instructions is known as data, whereas processed data is known as the information. So for example, let us take very simple example, addition of given two numbers. If you want to do addition of two numbers, what you have to do? You have to take two numbers. You have to take two numbers and perform addition on those two numbers. Then you are getting the addition of those two numbers. Let us take two numbers as first number is 3, next number is 5. So these two numbers you are giving through the input device like keyboard. So those two numbers are processed by the computer system in the form of plus. Plus is a addition operator. Then it is going to, so here 3 and 5 are the data. So you given data through the input device, and computer system is processed according to the user instruction, and it is going to produce the result as 8 to the output device. So here 8 is nothing but information. These 3 and 5 are known as the data. So computer is an electronic device. It accepts the data through the input devices and it processes the information. That means computer processes the data and produces the output So let us look this computer system. I hope all you know the computer. So I hope all you seen computer in different places. So here this is called as a monitor. It's called as a monitor. Later I will explain in very detail about monitor. There are different monitors, different kinds of monitors. So it is a monitor. It is meant for the display purpose. It is an output device. So this is known as CPU, Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. It is also called as system unit. It is a main unit. So this one is called as a keyboard. This one is called as a keyboard. It is a input device. User enter information through this device. So this is called as a printer. This is called as a printer. It is an output device. It is a output device. It is called as a mouse. It is called as a mouse. It is also input device. It is called as a speaker. It is called as a speaker. It is an output device. In some systems may have the modem for internet connection. Nowadays, internal modem computer systems are coming with internal modems. So in olden days, there is a separate device called as a modem. It is the computer system. So it is a monitor. It is a CPU. It is a keyboard. It is a printer. It is a speaker. It is a mouse. So all these are related to the computer peripherals. Computer peripherals. So what is computer? Computer is a electronic device. It accepts input as a data and process those data and produces into output devices as information. So it is about simple definition of computer. In next class, I am going to discuss the evolution of computers. For any doubts, feel free to contact me. It is my mail ID. All of you carefully note this mail ID. If you have any doubts, you can mail or else you can WhatsApp your doubt. I will clarify, or personal I may call you for clarifying your doubts. Thank you.